Àápùn ṣẹlẹ̀ ó ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní nọ́ọ̀tì náà ni. Ẹ tún wá gbọ́ bẹ̀bẹ̀. Governor Abdullahi Sule of Nasarawa State has called on the National Assembly to permanently outlaw the Almajiri system, arguing that the practice remains a major driver of northern Nigeria's growing out of school children crisis and worsening insecurity. According to the governor, Nigeria is facing a severe education crisis with an estimated 18.3 million children currently out of school, while the Almajiri system remains the single largest structural contributor to the challenge in northern part of Nigeria. The governor warned that the consequences of the system extend beyond education, linking it directly to the region's security challenge. He said many of the minors recruited into banditry and other criminal activities are product of the Almajiri system, stressing that urgent action is needed to break the cycle of poverty, illiteracy, and insecurity. Lọ́rọ̀ kan ṣá, mo kí ẹ kú iṣẹ́, mo dẹ̀ kíra mi náà kú iṣẹ́, akó àìsàn akó àìwo, wọ́n ní tálágbẹ̀dẹ bá ti ń lu irin gbẹ̀gàn lójú kan. Tí ò gbọ́wọ́ kúrò bí ó ní nǹkan gidi kan tó fẹ́ mú jáde ni. Mo fẹ́ kó mọ̀ wípé gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní nọ́ọ̀tì wípé wọ́n fẹ́ cancel Almajiri system of education wọn tí wọ́n fi rọ́pò western education kì í ṣe wọ́n kàn déédéé jí wọ́n kàn déédéé wò ó wípé òkè àsìkò ti tó kí wọ́n ṣe iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ìwọ àti mi ni. Mo rò wípé bó ṣe rí bá ṣe ń ṣe fídíò tó ń kọ́mẹ̀ntì tá à ń ṣe ẹ̀ tó ń láìkì tó ń ṣe oríṣiríṣi tí gbogbo wa jọ ń dọwọ́ bò ó ń dọ́dọ̀ wọn bẹ̀ wọ́n ń gbọ́ gbogbo everything. Bójúbójú kankan ò sí ní ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà mọ́ sí. Every problem ogun tó ń ja Nàìjíríà àti wá rí gbangba kedere wípé àti north ní gbogbo ẹ̀ ti ń wá. Almajiri system of education tí wọ́n practice níbẹ̀ ó wà lára nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ kí ọ̀rọ̀ terrorism kó máa gbòòrò sí ní northern part of Nigeria. Almajiri system yẹn òun ló ń fi àyè gba banditry. Bọ́ kí n tó fọ́dà lórí àlàyé mi jọ tẹ̀lé mi kó wá gbọ́ nǹkan tí àwọn northern youth gan fúnra lára wọn tí wọ́n sọ lórí Almajiri system of education tí àwọn northern leaders and elders tí wọ́n practice. Shame.
Some imams in the north are angry because Nigerians are calling for the end of Islamic Almajiri system of education. They are angry because they see it as an attack to their source of income. Because what they do with these children is they send them to the street to go and beg and bring the returns to them. So to them, Nigerians are trying to tamper with their source of livelihood. If our Almajiri system of education was so good, why don't we have the children of the bourgeois in the north in it? Why don't we have the likes of Dangote children, Boa children, Dandata children, governors' children, and the rest of them? Why is it always the children of the poorest of the poor? Why is it like that? Now, many might ask, you don't talk about this Almajiri system of education. What's the way forward? First, I think the North has to completely abolish that system of education because whether we like it or not, it has become a breeding ground for these terrorists. You get, this is where they get most of their foot soldiers from, like it or not. Now, way forward, I think the North should completely embrace Western education. Yes, completely. Let them embrace Western education. There are government schools everywhere. Send these children to those schools. Send them to those schools. Maybe from there we can have lawyers, engineers, doctors, you get. People who go contribute positively to the society.
Reset of education. Àwọn ìmáàmù wọn ní northern part of Nigeria àti àwọn àfáà wọn máa fárígá o wọ́n ní láyéláyé kò jọ pa kamari wọn gbọ́dọ̀ stop Almajiri system of education. Wọ́n fi ìyẹn wọ́n fi cover up fún western education. Ṣó ti rí bí àwọn northern leaders and elders bí wọ́n ṣe wicked tó ṣe wà heartless tó ṣe burú sí ìṣẹ̀dá àwọn masses yẹn. Ṣebí wà tèmi rí fídíò bọ́n ṣe máa ń fídíò wọn left right center àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké. Different kind of color of ike ono man gbélé wọn lọ́wọ́ yellow, blue, green, red, black, white, name it. Wà ra wọn ọmọ yẹn tó máa sá káàkiri àtàwọn ìyá wọn. You see, wọ́n ti wá so brainwash ayé àwọn ọmọ yẹn débi wípé as ọjọ́ orí wọn bó ṣe kéré tó wọ́n ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún àwọn terrorist tó jẹ́ bàbá tiwọn. Torí tó bá ń gbọ́ tí northern governor bá láwọn gba wọ́n máa ń gbowó burúkú lọ́wọ́ federal owó tó yẹ kí wọ́n fi ìyẹn tó yẹ kí wọ́n fi fún wọn ní western education kó fi build a better life fún wọn kó ní ọjọ́ ọ̀la kí another part of Nigeria kó lè grow no owó yẹn wọ́n á kó wọ́n á láwọn fi kó repentant Boko Haram wọ́n kó wọn lọ sí rehab èyí tó kù wọ́n á ní kí ni o wọ́n á náà ṣe mass wedding ìgbà tí federal government ti wá Gani sí wípé kò sí nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ repentant Boko Haram repentant terrorist any terrorist banditry àti financier àtàwọn tó wá speak on their behalf tọ́wọ́ bá ti mú pípa ni ṣó tún gbọ́ any governor kankan ní another part of Nigeria kó láwọn tó ti fẹ́ integrate another repentant terrorist níbo for you to know that they know what they are doing ṣé àwọn gọ́fúnà yẹn kẹ́lẹ̀ mọ̀ bí wọ́n ṣe wíkẹ́dì láyé tí àwọn ọmọ àlè tààrin wa tán jẹ́ fanatic àwọn Gumi ìwọ àǹkó set tí wọ́n rò wípé wọ́n fẹ́ wá sọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá di bíi ti another part of Nigeria mo ní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá súnmọ́ wọn ẹ bá wa sọ fún wọn pé ìbálùwọ̀n wọn tó fẹ́ dòdò nílẹ̀ kó o tó àjíire ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àwa ń dúró de abracadabra tó fẹ́ wá ṣe tí àwọn gọ́fúnà tó ń jẹ gọ́fúnà wọn tó ń jẹ pírẹsidẹ́ǹtì tó wà ní political class wọn tí àwọn ò bá ní western education báwo náà ṣe fẹ́ attain gbogbo post tí wọ́n wà ṣó ti rí pé wọ́n wicked gan ni wọ́n wá mú majority àwọn masses wọn lọ́ra bí dún wọ́n brainwash àwọn òbí wọn wípé ẹ má jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ yín lọ sí west kó lọ kọ́ school o ẹ má jẹ́ ọ lọ sí school o ẹ má jẹ́ kọ́ ní western education wọ́n máa kọjú ìjà sí yín ni o wọ́n máa hate yín ni o àwọn ọmọ yín máa pa yín ni o àwọn làwọn máa dóòlà ẹ̀mí yín o you see they brainwashed those parents ẹ wo àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké tó yẹ kó wà ní school kó wà kindergarten kó wà primary ẹ wo gbogbo wọn ti yọ color green ike color blue color black color yellow àwọn máa ma tọrọ bára kiri títì ṣó wá rí gbogbo owó bára tó bá ń gbà kì í ṣe pé àwọn náà ní àtàwọn òbí wọn o no wọ́n ní chief imam tó recruit wọn wọ́n ní àfà ilé kéwú tó recruit wọn tó dà wọ́n sí gboro tó máa lọ ṣe bára wa gbogbo fẹ́ ṣe bédè ó gbé kéèkì lọ ó gbé oúnjẹ lọ oúnjẹ ó káṣọ lọ anything tó gbé lọ fún wọn gbogbo ẹ̀ náà máa rù dọ́dọ̀ chief imam wọn àbí àfà wọn nílé kéwú tá ń ṣó orí ẹ̀ òun ni wọ́n máa ṣe kí ni tá ń ṣó orí ẹ̀ òun náà máa fún wọn padà gbogbo àwọn leaders yẹn àwọn religious leader àwọn political class àwọn ọba àti àwọn ẹ̀mí àwọn sọ́tà àwọn gbogbo wọn mo sọ fún yín gbogbo wọn náà ní ọ̀nà tí gbogbo wọn fi ń ṣe kí ni tí wọ́n fi ń generate owó ṣé wọ́n fẹ́ wówó kú láyé wọn ṣé wọ́n ti ṣépè owó fún northern leaders and elders ni ṣé wọn kì í ní tìjú ni ẹ wo bí northern part of Nigeria bó ṣe dìlé ní ìwọ àtẹ̀mí ti wá rí the whole wide world ti wá rí wípé kò sí ogun kankan àbí any other part of Nigeria tó ń kógun ja Nigeria ju àwọn wo àwọn northerner àwọn ni orísun ogun tó ń jà wá àwọn ni wọ́n jẹ́ kí Nigeria move forward economically insecurity àwọn non produce every ogun pátápátá tó ń jà òkè tó bá nírọ́ ni mo pa bá mi dárúkọ ogun kan tí àwa southerner tá gbé kalẹ̀ tó ń jà Nigeria as a country as a matter of fact nǹkan tó ṣe pè ní one Nigeria today wípé wọ́n ṣe recognize Nigeria in abroad we southerner àwa là ń promote ẹ̀ ọ̀nà wo ni northern tó fi ń gbà promote ṣé àwọn ọmọ àlìmájìrì tó ń gbé kalẹ̀ náà fẹ́ lọ promote ẹ̀ ni ṣó wá rí western education tí wọ́n deny àwọn ọmọ wọ̀nyí tó ń bayé wọn jẹ́ àwọn kó àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n kò fún wọn ní education yẹn western education yẹn nínú Nigeria wọ́n gbé wọn dìde ìwọ tó bá ń gbé ní UK you can bear me witness àìmọye yín lẹ́jọ́ máa pàdé ní university tó bá rí àwọn ọmọ northern tó lọ study labroad wọn kì í gba ilé fún wọn wọ́n máa ń ra ilé ni wọ́n dẹ̀ ń ra ilé ẹni ẹ̀ fún wọn níbi tí àwọn bìrìtìkó olówó wà ibẹ̀ náà máa ti lọ ra ilé fún wọn lọ́wọ́ the kind of car tó máa gbé sídìí wọn lọ́wọ́ the kind of car tó máa gbé sídìí wọn they live a very flamboyant life tó bá wá sọ fún wọn wípé northern part of Nigeria àwọn ni wọ́n báyé Nigeria jẹ́ tó dẹ̀ ń ra wọn yẹn wọ́n wá máa rí ẹbẹ nípa láìda bí you are practicing bigotry for real wọ́n wá sọ nísìnyí ojú ti wá ń tì wọ́n gbogbo ọ̀nà tí wọ́n gbà gbogbo ibi tí wọ́n sá sí àṣírí ń tú gbogbo ẹ̀ ní bàbá Tinubu ló ń tú kò sí àyè fún repentant kan àkókò owó lọ sí rehab kankan mọ́ any terrorist ikú ni ṣètúrí gọ́fúnà kankan kó lóun tún reintegrate any repentant terrorist kankan wọ́n tún ti yí síbòmíì sìn mass wedding lókù tí northern governor tún ṣe wàá rí pé every 3 market day náà dẹ̀ ṣe mass wedding sìn ìyẹn náà tó fi ń kówó lọ ilẹ̀kùn ti mú wọn lọ́wọ́ ń bẹ̀ yẹn you see these people they are terrible kó lè mọ how wicked they are the same western education tí wọ́n deny àwọn masses wọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ kí north kó grow nínú nǹkan tó dá ní ìgbésí ayé tó rọrùn every other person tó lè benefited from it. Tí àwọn governor, àwọn political class ní northern part of Nigeria tí bọ̀n bá ní western education, báwo náà ṣe lè attain gbogbo post tí wọ́n wà? Báwo náà ṣe lè become president, governor, minister? Báwo náà ṣe lè relate mọ́ every other person? Even Saudi Arabia, Saudi gan tó ń sọ ńbẹ̀ yẹn tí wọ́n pariwo sí wọ́n tún wo ọ̀nà míì pé ọ̀nà wo náà tún lè mú Nàìjíríà fi backward. Wọ́n ní kó wá máa pé wọ́n ní kán mú Arabic language kan fi sínú curriculum wa kó jẹ́ by force, kan force ẹ̀ sí wa lọ́rùn. Kí ló kàn wá pẹ̀lú Arabic language? Ṣé wọ́n sọ Arabic ní Nàìjíríà ni? Is Nigeria an Arabic country? Ṣé ti rí wèrè wọn? They have nothing good níbi tí IT wà. Ẹ wo gbogbo oríṣiríṣi nǹkan, AI, gbogbo technology, every beautiful thing tó move ayé forward tí gbogbo èèyàn máa benefit good from it. O lè rí kó wá láti náà tí kan mú suggestion yẹn wá. Àfi nǹkan tó máa draw wa backward. Kí ló kan nínú gbogbo rògbòdìyàn tó wà lẹ́yìn 2026? Kí èèó governor kó wò wípé kí lóun tún lè ṣe láti fi contribute fún ìtẹ̀síwájú èèó Nàìjíríà àti society wa. Kó ní ká máa mú Arabic, ó di dandan kó force sí wa lọ́rùn. Ó jẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí èdè òyìnbó. Nígbà tí English ti colonize wa, èwo làbọ̀rọ̀ force Arabic sí wa lọ́rùn. Ṣé wọ́n sọ Arabic nínú Nàìjíríà? Gbogbo ẹ̀yin chief imam àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin mùsùlùmí tẹ́ gbọ́ kéwú láti ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ dé òpin. Ọjọ́ wo lẹ ti lọ sọ́jà àbí tẹ́ wọ public bus àbí any part of Nigeria tẹ́ ti sọ Arabic sí anybody ńbẹ̀? Kí ni wèrè orí burúkú gan? Gbogbo ọ̀nà tó fi máa mú Nàìjíríà backward, òun ni northerners ń wá, òun dẹ̀ lẹ máa rí àwọn fanatic Islamic ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. They have nothing good to offer. Bí àwọn ìkà tí northern part bọ́ ṣe ń ronú fún àwọn masses wọn, òun làwọn náà fẹ́ máa ṣe sí fún wa. Ẹ bá wa sọ fún wọn pé ìbálùwẹ̀ tí wọn tó fẹ́ dòdò ńlẹ̀ kó tó àjíire, àwa dúró dabrakadabra tó fẹ́ ṣe tó fi máa débẹ̀. Ó ti mọ̀ pé ibẹ̀ ni kọ́kọ́ là ń lọ. Tún tẹ̀lé mi lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí.
Many of us have been mistaking the unity of Yoruba to be bigotry. And me, I used to be one of them too. But thank God say I can't sit down and relax. Because the one way they pay me pass, now when Adeboye, they praise President Tinubu despite the mess wey they cause for this country. Today I can't sit down the reason, and I can't reason this thing I won't tell now. Now first, do you know why Fulani are still unaliving my people which are Benue? It's because we are not united. We easily find fault among ourselves. We easily fight ourselves. We easily call ourselves out. Now let me now go to Igbo. As strong as Igbo is, Igbo no dey bow to anybody. Igbo no dey resist. No matter how you frustrate them, no matter how you pressure them, they go stand gidigba. They no dey bow down to anybody. They are always fighting back and resilient. But the only reason why Igbos never get their freedom till date, now because of say despite their strength and everything, they are not united. I know say some of now go disagree with this claim what they tell now. Let's not pretend my tribe are not united. Igbos are not united. That is why they've never get it right till date. And I'm still forging in this video so that I'm go understand what time they talk. Whether Yoruba Pikin bad or good, Yoruba people go stand with them. Say no, our person, we no go let them fall. Whether it's doing well, whether it's not doing well, all they care is, this one are my own. Whether I spoil the country, you know, concern on. This one are my own. It may be wrong to some of us. It may not look good to some of us. But that is what unite them. And that is what make them stand till date. Because Yorubas are not resilient. They don't resist. The only thing where they help them till date na that unity. When it comes to fighting, they are not number one out of all tribes for Nigeria. But when it comes to unity, they should be 1 and 2 out of all tribes in Nigeria. So they find their strength in unity. That is why, despite how Pastor Iye Adeboye, they prominent rich, where people they look up to him, many tribes they look up to him. But when it comes to standing for his own person, which is a Yoruba man, he go extra mile, he no consider what people go talk. He still they praise him, despite how this man don't spoil this country rich. He stand with him, gidigba. Do you know that if na Igbo man be pastor, where they the position where Adeboye dey today, where in brother Igbo man,
a ò ní rí jù báyìí lọ lórí ètò yìí lónìí o. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ tí subscribe, ẹ like fídíò wa kẹ́ ẹ bá wa share ẹ̀. Títí tá a ó fi pàdé lọ́jọ́ òmíì, ó dàbọ̀.